is Emma McDonald and I'm with Library Services. I'm also a certified Google for Education trainer. In this episode, we'll take a look at Chrome extensions. An extension is a published script that is designed to increase the productivity and, in some cases, the fun of the browser. To access the Chrome Web Store, on the Google search, simply type in Chrome Web Store. Here, you will find a wide variety of extensions and themes that you can use to personalize your browser and increase your productivity. Click on the arrow next to All under Categories to be able to see all of the different categories that are available of extensions. You can also click on For Mesquite ISD to see all of the extensions that have already been approved by the district for use on student Chromebooks. This is a fun site to explore, but beware, it can get a little overwhelming. Also, know that if you have a lot of extensions running at the same time, it can definitely reduce the speed of your browser. Some extensions require a paid subscription, or that you already have access to a website or a service that is paid for. So you need to make sure that you read the terms carefully. Here are my top 10 extensions. The first one is Toby for Chrome. I love this extension because it allows me to create collections of websites and web pages for various projects that I work on throughout the school year. I have a collection called Startup with all of the different websites that I tend to use every day as my startup. But I also have one called Working Files. What I love about this extension is that I can place Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Forms, as well as web pages and other websites together in the same collection. I can open up all of the tabs, or I can open up just the tabs that I need for that particular project. Number 2 is the Screencast-O-Matic Launcher. Screencast-O-Matic is my favorite screencasting tool, followed closely by Go Vidyard, which also has an extension, and Loom, which also has an extension. The only screencasting tool that is currently approved in the district for student use is Screencast-O-Fi, which is also a Google extension. 3 is Sageda for Chrome. Sageda is a PDF editor that I really like to use because it allows me to edit PDFs, but it also allows me to convert PDFs to images, to sheets, to docs, really to anything. Number 4 is the Emoji keyboard. This is a fun one. I like it because I can copy and paste different emojis into emails, documents, wherever I want to use them. Number 5 is Tab Resize. This is a great tool that will allow me to automatically resize 2 of my tabs into a split screen. I can even do it into 4 different screens. Number 6 is Bitmoji. I adore Bitmojis, and so I love having the ability to simply click on it, be able to access my Bitmojis, copy them, download them to my computer, use them in emails, documents, and other images that I create. Number 7 is Britannica School Insights and Teachingbooks.net, which I'll pull up in just a minute. Both of these are great tools for accessing library services resources through the search engine. When I do a search in Google, say for greenhouse gases, on the right-hand side, Britannica School Insights pulls up the different articles that are available in that resource for students to access. Similarly, if I type in a search that is related to books, the Teachingbooks Books Connections extension will pull up different book suggestions that go along with the search. Number 8 is Remote for Slides. This allows you to control a Google slide deck, slideshow from your phone or tablet. Google Translate is another fabulous extension that when you click on it will automatically translate a web page or website for you. Number 10 are Google Meet breakout rooms. This extension will help you to create breakout rooms similar to Zoom, but using Google Meets. Google extensions are not the only tools that are available for you to use. Google add-ons are also available in Docs, Slides, Sheets, Forms, and other Google tools. We'll be covering those in a different series. In our final episode for this series, we'll take a look at some special features you may never have known existed with Google Search. See you then!